Hey everybody, this video is going to talk about our discussion forum on ableness. We are in week 12 and group B is going to be leading us this week. So as always, for group B, you will do both an initial post and participate in a minimum of 2 response posts. And every other student, you're only responsible for the 2 response posts this week. So for those primary initial posts, what you want to consider is that cultural values such as independence, thinness, physical strength, and athleticism are easily spotted in modern society. They are reinforced in messages from television, magazines, and movies, and even by our consumer existence. So in number 1, explain what it might feel like to see such an emphasis in US society on independence, strength, or beauty or perfection. Support your ideas by incorporating course materials. Then number 2, Lee, page 41, so in our textbook on page 41, describes marginalized people as those that exist on the margins or outer limits of social desirability, awareness, and appreciation. Would the disability make you feel somehow marginalized from mainstream culture? Why or why not? Again, include course materials in your answers. So those are 2 really big questions. So you're going to want to make sure to take some time exploring those questions thoroughly. So then everybody, for your response posts, taking what you've learned from the readings on this topic and what your classmates have shared, consider the impact of disability on substance use and abuse. So question number 1, use course content to respond to posts from group B and further the discussion by sharing information about how the information identified in their post might impact a person's problematic use of substances. So the primary post is discussing what is this person feeling marginalized? What does it feel like to see an emphasis on ableness in society? And so connect those ideas that the primary post incorporated, connect those to, boy, because we see the stigma, I think that this is the impact on substance use and abuse. And number 2, what are important considerations for addressing problematic substance use within this population? So be sure to think about, what are some of the things that we need to be thinking about in order to best support people who are seeking or maybe using substances problematically that maybe could benefit from support and help. So what are some things that we should be thinking about? So primary posts due by Wednesday, response posts due by Friday. As always, notes on confidentiality and grading criteria here. If you have questions, please head on over to the homepage. But I look forward, I really look forward to hearing your ideas about supporting people within this demographic. So thanks everybody for watching, and I hope you have a good one.